What is up guys, this is HeatSeeker and welcome back to a new video. Today in this video I am going to unbox TP-Link AC750 dual band router. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's start by looking what's written on the box. So first I will see what's written on top of the box. It has the TP-Link logo along with TP-Link written on it. Then its model number is AC750. It is a dual band router and its other name is Archer C20. On the bottom it says 300 Mbps for 2.4 GHz and 433 Mbps for 5 GHz. It has super coverage and it is easy to set up. On the side it is written that it is easy to configure, and also you can download its theater app from a Play Store, and it is also available on the iOS store. This app makes it very easy to configure the wireless router. On the back it says that it is a stream ready AC router. Then as I told you before, it has dual bands, that is 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Then it has fast internet and different connectivity options. It has a power button. Then these are all the options. You get 4 Ethernet ports and 1 WAN port. Then there is the reset switch. These are some other specifications compared to other third-party routers. On the other side of the box, we can see that there are some more in detail specification and features given, which you guys can pause and read. They have also given what this box contains inside. And let's move on with the unboxing of this router. Now I will remove the plastic of this box using my knife, and let's see what's inside this box after removing the plastic. Now let's open up the box and see what we get inside. So these are all the components which we get inside. Now let's look at them one by one. So this is the main router. We will keep it aside and check it out afterwards. Now let's see what's inside. This is the public notice, legal notice, which companies give. This is not that important for us. Then this is the quick installation guide, which you can use if you don't know how to configure a router or want to learn. Then this is the Ethernet cable which goes to your PC or laptop. Then this is the power adapter. It has an output of 9 volts or 0.6 amperes. You can pause to see it. Now let's look at the router itself by unwrapping the plastic and removing it from the plastic. This looks really nice. The design is really good. Now let's remove the antennas. This has 3 antennas for a better range, which is a good thing according to me, to have 3 antennas. Then on the front, let's remove the plastic from the top of the router. It has a half glossy, half matte design. According to me, the blue color really looks nice along with the TP-Link logo, and I don't think that this will be prone to a lot of scratches. Now let's look at it a bit closer. As you can see, the texture is really nice along with the TP-Link logo. Then on the back, there are a lot of grills, which means the router will remain cool even for a long time. On the back we got the power plug, then the power on off button, the reset switch, the WPS button, then the WAN port, and the 4 Ethernet ports which connect to your PC or laptop. Then these are the 3 antennas which provide a very good range according to me. Then these are the side grills which dissipate heat easily and will keep the router cool for a longer period of time. So that's about it in this video. If you guys want me to make another video on how to configure this router or about the TP-Link Theater app, then don't forget to comment down below. And also don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.